Each time you discover yourself through experience, not just discovering means theoretically, yes, I know. No, it doesn't work. Our theoretical understanding may be just on the surface, it's not deep enough. It's just thinking. That kind of understanding is simply pushed aside into a box like thinking mind, and that's it, like any other ordinary thinking. Maybe a little bit better, but still it is thinking though. It's like a free wheel attached to our head, it's just rotating. Each time you just turn around, it automatically gets recharged. Like automatic watches in the past we used to have. No battery but automatic, free wheel attached. Each time you twist and turn your wrist and it gets recoiled, and so it increases the tension of rotation. I think it could be just thinking. Then how to make that thinking effective means we have to experience. Anything it could be, don't think of only spirituality, anything it could be. Could be seeing something, reading something, talking to somebody, visiting a place, anything it could be. We have to have that experience. We can listen to somebody, oh, how was that? That's good. We can try to extend your consciousness and try to imagine so that you can empathize with the person. But still, it is not confirmed, re-established. You may understand with your intuitive ability, oh, did you go to the Himalayas? Did you go to Switzerland? Did you see that person? Did you read that book? Oh, how was that? Have you tasted that dish? Yes, I have. But you can empathize, but it's unconfirmed feeling, unconfirmed experience. You have to experience. So in that case, do we have enough time to experience everything in life? No, we do not have that much time, but we have space, but we do not have that much time to go through every facet of experience in life, every dimension of experience in life. Because it is infinite, you can never finish that. You can never touch everything physically and experience it. You cannot, because it is infinite. It's also because our body is finite, very limited. We have only 2 hands, not 10 hands, 20 hands, 1,000 hands, not 1,000 heads. Even then it's not enough. Then how to feel the fulfillment in life then, if we can't experience everything, if we do not have that much time, then how to feel that fulfillment, how to feel satisfied? You can only feel satisfied when you have touched and felt and experienced everything, tasted, smelled, seen and heard, isn't it? But we don't have that much opportunity and occasion and time. Then what to do? That is where spirituality step in. A special subject, highly refined and sophisticated, cosmic subject, metaphysical, philosophical, highly philosophical, mystical. That is that. What is that? There is one formula, one secret. There is a way how to feel fulfillment in life, apart from the fulfillment we gain out of material acquisition. That is by exploring our presence, by experiencing our very presence, by experiencing the wholeness of our presence, we can feel fulfillment and satisfaction in life. At the same time, we can be open to undergo physical experience. Means experience that is acquired out of physical communication, out of physical involvement. But we need to go to the very basis of connectedness and communication. That is the very true essential being. I am. Behind the mind, behind the heart, behind the body, behind all that we can imagine. I, the very essentials, microcosmic, beautiful, light entity with fragrance and with wisdom, with full awareness. That is getting in touch with the centralized source of core consciousness.